Are you on a weight loss journey or trying to maintain your muscle mass while staying healthy? Look no further. Today, we are going to make a tasty fish tikka or grilled fish recipe that is packed with protein and flavor. It has 294 total calories containing 29 grams of protein, 1 gram of carbohydrates and 19 grams of fats. Just follow the simple steps I will share with you in this video and in no time you will have a tasty and satisfying meal that is perfect for any time of the day. So let's get started. I am using sea bass fish here to make this delicious recipe. Before we get started, I am going to remove the skin from the fish. Fish is a great source of lean protein and it's low in saturated fat, making it an excellent choice if you are looking to maintain a healthy body fat. Plus, it's a delicious addition to any meal plan. Now, let's move on to the marination. I am going to mix all the ingredients together to create a flavorful and healthy marination. To start, I am using 1 tablespoon of yogurt, which helps to tenderize the chicken, and then I will add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder for a beautiful red color and half teaspoon of Degi red chili powder to add some spice. I am also adding half teaspoon of coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Garam masala is a blend of spices commonly used in Indian cooking that adds warmth and depth of flavor. Now, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and cumin powder each, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Then, add salt according to taste. I am using half teaspoon here and I will be using 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, which you can buy from any grocery store or make it by blending fresh ginger and garlic together. Finally, I will be adding half teaspoon of Kasturi methi, which are dried fenugreek leaves, and a squeeze of lemon to the marination. And mix everything together. Now, it's time to marinate the fish. Add fish to the marination and coat it well. Make sure each piece is fully coated in the marinade. Let it sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. You can also leave it overnight for maximum flavor. Once the pan is hot, use 3 to 5 sprays of oil and add the marinated fish to the pan. Cook for 3 minutes on each side. Be sure to cook the fish until it is fully cooked through. Once the fish is cooked, remove it from the pan and sprinkle some chaat masala on top for added flavor. Finally, squeeze some lemon juice on top of the fish before serving. This adds a refreshing touch to the dish. With the use of lean protein and spices that have numerous health benefits, this dish is perfect for those following a macro-conscious diet. Give this recipe a try and I am sure it will become a regular in your meal rotation. Written recipe along with the macronutrients information is in the description box below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy and delicious recipe. Bye bye.